you bring me here?
Because we have some problem. If you
Yes.
solve this, you see that 909, right?
Yes.
Can you make it that 999?
999?
Yes,
Only
by
one move?
one move. 300.
Why only 300? Add it because it's hard.
Okay, 500.
Add the 300.
Okay. But if you don't solve the problem, no money.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay.
Okay. One move.
Only one move.
Touch move. 999. No? Akin na yan, wala. Talo ka.
Can you give me a second chance?
Okay, second chance, 500 na lang.
Add the 300.
Okay. Larga?
This is the last chance?
Yes.
Okay.
Are you sure Only one move
Yeah.
Anak ng kapit!
Okay na to!
Okay, pang-celebrate tayong dalawa. Atin yung dalawa.